Tim Albright with AVNation at InfoComm 2025 in the Legrand AV booth with my friend Beth Torgerson. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I am well. I am well. Chief has done a number of advancements over the years, quite frankly, over the last 12 months. We're standing in front of the first one here, Velocity. So talk about this for a second and the use cases behind it.
Sure. This is the Chief Velocity Pedestal Mount System.
Okay.
And the applications are typically for QSRs for their drive-thru menu boards.
QSR, quick service restaurant.
Right,
Okay.
right. Yep, and then the other major application would be for wayfinding.
Okay.
So large corporate campuses or college campuses or amusement parks, places where people get lost.
Well, that, and so talk about kind of the functionality behind this, right? QSR and both wayfinding, they're outdoors, right? So these are protective environments, these are protective structures, but they're also give the ability to cool down the displays that are behind them.
So these are compatible with LG and Samsung 55-inch displays, and these are outdoor rated displays. So everything with the weather, whether it's raining or wintry cold, it's all taken care of by the technology in these displays.
All right.
And so really the modular design is the story behind our mounts. So a QSR could, for example, start with a single display or a double, and if their menu changes, it's really easy to add on that extra display if they want to update their menu. So, and then the installation time is really fast as well. So, if you're a fast food restaurant, you don't want your drive-thru to be shut down because you're installing something. No. So speed of installation is pretty important. So it's a two-person installation. You don't need any heavy lift equipment to rent because it's modular. It comes flat packed on a pallet, which is easy to deliver into a smaller receiving dock. And like I said, the installation is pretty quick and easy.
All right. Something else you guys are showing from the Chief's side is the off-wall LED.
Yes.
So talk about that for a second.
Yeah. So for instance, if you have a video wall solution that it just cannot go up on a wall, whether that wall is structurally not quite fit. Stable, right? So this allows someone to put a video wall on a mobile cart or on a floor-mounted mount, or something like maybe at an airport where it's ceiling mounted.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's really off-the-wall video walls. And these are configured solutions.
Okay.
So if someone is interested in this, they can work with our engineering team. They'll gather up all of the specifications for that specific product, and our engineering team will turn around a quote and a drawing if requested within 48 hours. So it's the reason why it's expedited like that is because we're using a building block approach.
Okay.
And using our proven fusion modular components, like the horizontal extrusions and the connectors, all those pieces, plus some new SKUs to round out the solution. So by using this building block approach, it just makes that tailored solution come together all the faster. So it's really configured and not custom.
For the off the wall, you guys can pretty much, I'm not going to say it's universal, but almost universal for any sort of direct view LED.
Right,
okay.
Right. Any OEM, we can create a custom or configured solution for that.
All right. Beth, somebody wants to find out more about Chief or Legrand AV in general?
Yep, people should just visit legrandav.com.
All right, very good. Beth Torgerson from Legrand AV. For us, for AVNation, go by our website, avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv. And follow along as we bring you more videos from the show floor of InfoComm 2025. All that and more at avnation.tv. avnation.tv.